In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a page in Wix. This is a useful feature when you want to limit access to a specific page on your website. For example, you might want to share a private page with selected visitors, clients, or team members, while keeping the rest of your site public. Wix makes this process simple, and it only takes a few moments once you are inside the editor. To begin, open your site in the Wix editor. Make sure you are working on the correct website if you manage more than one. Once the editor has loaded, look for the Pages and Menus section. This is where you can view and manage the pages that are part of your site. Go ahead and click Pages and Menu. A panel will open, showing the list of pages on your website. From here, find the specific page that you want to protect with a password. It is important to choose the correct page, since the password setting will apply only to that page. Next to the page name, click the three dots. This opens the Page Settings menu for that page. In this menu, look for the option called Permissions, and click on it. This is where Wix lets you control who can access the page. When the permissions options appear, select Password Protected. This tells Wix that visitors will need to enter a password before they can open that page. After selecting that option, you will be asked to enter your desired password. Type in the password you want to use, then click Done to save that setting. When creating a password, make sure it is something secure but still easy for the intended visitors to use. Since this page will only be accessible with that password, it is a good idea to keep it organized and share it only with the people who should have access. After that, the final step is to click Publish. This is very important because your changes will not go live until the site is published. Once you publish, the selected page will be password protected, and visitors will be prompted to enter the password before they can view it. That covers everything you need to know.